What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm so excited to be uploading some content. I feel like I've been slacking and I'm just ready to really step it up and just, get my boss game on. I'm so tired of working for other people. I don't know about you guys, but I am in that driven mindset that I just want to work for myself and create my own schedule. So that is the goal. You got strawberry? Girl, is that good or what? You got a strawberry? Probably feels good on your teeth, huh? While I was getting dinner ready and cooking, my husband was taking care of our daughter, and then she ended up taking a nap. She was getting really tired, so she went down. And yes, I know she has blankets, but we have literally 3 cameras in her room.
Stayed there for 3 weeks, where we learned to love each other. Wrote you letters, sent a message to the goddamn. Skip to the present, haven't been so happy ever.
Okay, but cleaning my oven was probably one of the most satisfying things as an adult. I literally only took 3 things to clean my oven. I used an oven degreaser and let it sit overnight first, let that kind of bake on there, wiped that all off, and then I used Dawn power wash spray and scrubbed it down. And then I used a little scraper on the door to get all of the junk and stuff off. And then I actually went in and cleaned the oven with the pink stuff and a pink daddy scrubber. Rinsed everything off, wiped it down good, and that was pretty much it. And you guys, that before and after was insane. I just can't even believe it. It was so clean. It just had a huge difference, and it just was so satisfying. Then I ended up pulling the oven out and then cleaning behind it and under it as well. And you guys, I probably haven't done this since we moved in. I've been slacking. So I just vacuumed everything up, wiped it all down really good, scrubbed it again with Dawn power wash spray. And then I ended up taking my cedar mop and then mopping underneath as well. So it was super clean by the time I was done, and it just looked so much better.
Sitting in your room, working on my first record. Skip to the present, and I still haven't released it. But it's okay, 'cause the new songs are way better. That's what it feels like.
Hi, honey. Yes, ma'am.
Tyler, where are you going?
Happy ever.
For cleaning my kitchen cabinets and my fans, I did end up using Mr. Clean and some hot water with a dirty wash rag and just went around and scrubbed everything down.
Seems like it's for real this time.
And then I have been getting quite a few samples from TikTok Shop on my TikTok creator account, and one of those being some plastic like organized drawers. So I had to film a video really quick on cleaning out our bathroom and organizing it really good. I went to go clean it and nothing was coming off. It still had like quite a bit of like stains or like water. I don't know what it's from, but it wouldn't come off. But it looks so much better after I organize it with the drawers. Next up, I am organizing our little 3 like tiered rolling cart. I actually use this for my daughter for her bath stuff in the beginning when she was newborn, to hold all her like washcloths, like bathing towels, body wash, all that stuff. But she's kind of outgrown the cart. She doesn't really need it anymore, which she just doesn't need a lot of stuff anymore. She actually uses adult towels now, stuff like that. So I ended up creating this as my cleaning cart. So I took all of my cleaning supplies and just organized it how I wanted it. And I love this idea. We just keep it in our hallway closet in our living room. And it just is so much more organized and holds a ton of stuff. And so if you guys need something to organize all your cleaning stuff, I highly recommend doing this.
You in the backyard of your old farm in the summer. Stayed there for 3 weeks where we learned to love each other. Wrote you a letter.
Then I went outside to water all of my plants. I did end up planting a bunch of new plants for spring, and they just look so pretty and I absolutely love them. But my husband thinks I'm going to kill them, so I'm going to try to prove him wrong. He definitely does not like being recorded, so I did not film him for long. But he is working on the roof and the gutters while I am taking care of the plants. And that's pretty much it for this video. And I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Send a message to the that day. Skip to the present. Haven't been so happy ever. Sitting in your room, working on my first record. Skip to the present.